We have il y a. Il y a. Il y a means there is. Il y a help us to do what? Pour exprimer la présence d'une personne ou d'un objet. For expressing the presence of a person or an object. So we use il y a, but there is a formula. The formula says il y a plus article indéfini or quantitatif. Means il y a plus indefinite article or quantitative. Meaning what? We remember indefinite articles, right? Un, une, des. So in this case, we have dans le quartier il y a, in the neighborhood there is un hôpital. It means there is an hospital. Dans le quartier il y a, in the neighborhood there is une pharmacie. There is a pharmacy. Dans le quartier il y a des bars. In the neighborhood there are bars. Many. Now, we can use also quantitatif. I can say dans le quartier il y a beaucoup de maisons. It means in the neighborhood there is a lot of houses. Dans le quartier il y a trop de restaurants. It means in the neighborhood there is so many restaurants or too many restaurants. Okay. Article indéfini. Un, une, des. Every noun in French has to be standing with an article in front of it. Quantitative means quantity. We have beaucoup de, trop de. We just learned it in our previously. So, beaucoup de maisons, a lot of houses, trop de restaurants, too many restaurants.